You're watching pure construction magic in motion. Dust clouds rise, engines roar, and massive machines carve through the earth like it's a block of butter. These aren't your average tools. These are game changers. The kind of machines that can level a mountain before lunch. Welcome to Wiki Machine. Today we're counting down 15 machines that every serious construction site should have. From sky-high booms to bulldozers that could moonlight as tanks, this list is all brawn, brains, and beautiful destruction. Buckle up. This is going to be loud, fast, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Let's dig in. Caterpillar D11 Dozer, the Dirt Dominator. Here you can see the Caterpillar D11 Dozer in all its juggernaut glory, pushing mountains of debris like it's nothing more than loose gravel. This 104-ton beast isn't just strong, it's smart. Equipped with GPS-guided smart blade tech and advanced hydraulics, it slices, lifts, and flattens with surgical precision. The rear ripper? It's like a steel fang tearing through compacted earth. Used in everything from dam projects to mine reclamation, the D11 redefines what it means to move dirt. Watching it roll through a demolition site is like seeing a tank and a plow have a very powerful baby. Volvo EC950F Crawler Excavator, the earth mover. Watch the Volvo EC950F go to work, scooping massive loads of soil and rock with the grace of a mechanical eagle. This nearly 100-ton crawler excavator is powered by a 16-liter engine, and it shows. Whether it's trenching, loading, or site prep, the EC950F brings muscle and precision to every move. The control system is so smart, it feels like the machine's reading your mind. It digs deep, works fast, and saves fuel while doing it. When this excavator grabs a bucket full of earth, it feels like watching a titan pick up pebbles. It's strength you can see and efficiency you can respect. Here you can see the Workin W220FI, reclaiming a stretch of old highway like a surgeon with a concrete scalpel. This cold milling machine chews up asphalt with chilling accuracy, down to the millimeter. It doesn't just remove old roads, it recycles them. With smart automation and eco-friendly efficiency, the W220FI is both a road warrior and a recycler in one. Crews love it for its speed, its fuel-saving tech, and how it makes resurfacing feel like an art form. Watching this beast leave behind a perfectly milled surface is almost hypnotic. It's road work at its most refined. Genie SX180 Boom Lift, the Skywalker. Here comes the Genie SX180, extending into the sky like a mechanical giraffe in a safety vest. This boom lift reaches 180 feet into the air with the smoothness of Case 570 NEP tractor loader, a sight Swiss Army knife. Now you're watching the Case 570 NEP dart around the job site like it owns the place. Don't be fooled by its smaller frame. This machine is an overachiever. It digs, lifts, hauls, and speeds across rough terrain like a multi-tool on wheels. Ideal for utility work, small site prep, and landscaping, the 570N shines in jobs where versatility beats brute force. Its road speed and tight turning radius make it quick on the draw, and its loader and backhoe combo keep it busy all day. Think of it as the construction site's MVP. Small in size, big in impact. Kamatsu WA90028 wheel loader, the material mover. Watch the Kamatsu WA90028 roll onto the scene like a heavyweight champion entering the ring. Here, you can see it scoop up tons of crushed rock and effortlessly load it into waiting trucks. This 116-ton beast is engineered to move massive amounts of material with precision and speed. Its 17.2-ton bucket capacity and high-efficiency torque converter make it ideal for quarry operations, mining, and large-scale construction. The smart loader logic adjusts engine power based on load, reducing fuel burn without losing muscle. Every bucket it lifts feels like watching a skyscraper being moved in one scoop. It's not just a loader, it's a mobile rock-moving empire. Husqvarna DXR 310 Demolition Robot, the remote wrecker. Here's the Husqvarna DXR 310 in action, creeping through a narrow hallway and ripping down reinforced concrete with surgical precision. This remote-controlled demolition robot is compact but fierce, designed to go where humans can't. It weighs just over 2,000 pounds, but delivers the power of a much larger machine thanks to its high-torque hydraulic arms. Ideal for interior demolition, tunnels, or unstable structures, it works silently, safely, and efficiently. Operators control it from a distance, staying safe while the DXR does the dirty work. It's like watching a robot do martial arts against brick walls. Pure destruction with grace. platforms high above the skyline. This flat-top tower crane is a hero of urban construction. Its modular design means it assembles fast, even in tight city spaces. With an 8-ton max load and a reach of 60 meters, it's used in everything from high-rises to bridges. What makes it shine? Its electronic control system, which ensures pinpoint accuracy and real-time load monitoring. As it lifts and lowers with balletic precision, you can't help but admire the calm control. It's like a giant playing pickup sticks with skyscraper parts. 3D concrete printer, the structure spitter. Watch this futuristic marvel extrude layers of concrete like a robot icing a cake. The 3D concrete printer doesn't hammer, drill, or saw, it builds. Using computer-guided extrusion arms, it prints entire building sections, layer by layer. It reduces waste, speeds up construction, and enables custom architecture with zero molds. Perfect for housing projects, disaster zones, and experimental structures. Here, it prints walls with graceful curves and complex corners that would be a nightmare with traditional formwork. It's like a hot glue gun for skyscrapers, precise, clean, and endlessly creative. JCB Hydrodig 110W, the agile all-rounder. Here's the JCB Hydrodig, weaving through a bustling site like a dancer in steel-toe boots. This wheeled excavator is all about flexibility. With all major components housed in the lower chassis, it has a super low center of gravity, giving it excellent stability and visibility. Weighing around 11 tons, it can lift, dig, and load without needing stabilizers. It's perfect for tight urban sites, roadside work, and quick relocation. Add in its 360-degree visibility CAD and tool versatility, and you've got a machine that turns on a dime. It's like a Swiss Army knife on wheels, built for the modern job site. Hitachi ZX890 LCH6 Excavator, the Rock Ripper. Here comes the Hitachi ZX890 LCH6, carving through rocky earth like it's peeling an orange. This is a 90-ton excavator with a 512 horsepower engine, used for serious mining and heavy-duty earthworks. The reinforced boom and arm are designed for extreme durability, and the cabin features all the comfort and control of a spaceship. It chews through stone, clay, and concrete with chilling ease. You don't operate this machine, you unleash it. Watching the bucket tear up the ground is a reminder of what true digging power looks like. It's not just moving dirt, it's re-sculpting the earth. KCX750D Excavator, the Muscle Dig Master. Here you see the KCX750D in full swing, lifting slabs of rock like they're foam blocks. This 75-ton machine is one of Case's largest and most powerful excavators, with a 512 HP Tier 4 engine and custom digging modes for every task. It shines in aggregate production and large-scale excavation. The intelligent hydraulic system maximizes fuel economy without sacrificing strength. And the operator cab, spacious and tech-filled. Watching the arm swing with surgical precision while tossing rock like popcorn is downright cinematic. This isn't just earth moving, this is muscle with finesse. Payload Pro. Watch the Doosan DL587 drop bucket loads of gravel like it's feeding a hungry beast. With a 6.4 cubic yard bucket and 43,000-pound operating weight, it's perfect for high-volume material handling. Used at quarries and ports, it moves aggregates, ores, and debris with brute force and grace. Its power-to-weight ratio is a standout, and the Z-bar lifting system boosts breakout force to next-level power. Operators enjoy its ergonomic joystick and panoramic visibility. As it surges forward and tilts its bucket with a roar, it's like a lion delivering payloads. Here comes the Bauer BG39, spinning its massive rotary head as it bores deep into the earth. Used for piling, foundation work, and large diameter drilling, this monster weighs over 140 tons. It can drill holes up to 118 feet deep and 12 feet wide. Its torque is immense, but the real magic is how quiet and stable it stays while working. Thanks to advanced kinematics, the BG39 positions with precision. Watching it drill is like watching a magician pull secrets from the ground. Only this spell leaves steel-reinforced pillars behind.